Rock is the perfect place. It's the perfect place to be. Turtle Rock is not too hot and it's not too cool for me. You see it from a mile away, 'cause every day they all flock to Turtle Rock. On Turtle Rock they say